SolidSmack readers, this is Erin McDermott. In this video, come with me to Barcelona, Spain to take a full tour of MADE Makerspace.
So this is Makerspace. We have here a close positioning place where people can leave their creations, people can see it. We have many things from many members.
Oh my
god. For example, that armor up there is mine, and that
you did that?
Mine too, yeah.
Oh,
so we have artists, creators, and all kinds.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's this one?
What? That's like a steampunk thingy jetpack thing, guys.
Does it just look cool?
Yeah, it looks cool. It's artistic, you know?
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. So this is the main area. We have community tables, anyone can use them, any member. And also we have 3D printers, a community computer which is still being built right now. We have soldering and electronics area. And this is a, private tables. There's people who pays a fee of 35 euros and they have access to all the plates and all the tools and all that. But there's people who pays the full and there's like 100 euros. They have also a table and a place to leave their things, you know.
Nice.
This community also, this is for anyone who uses it. Usually it's full of stuff, but even if you clean it like in 2 days it will be the same, so yeah. So we have people who makes electronics and lighting and decoration. This is my table. I make cosplay stuff for collectibles and all that, for costumes. We have electronic musicians who make all kinds of electronic tools for music. We have stylists or sewing for
clothing,
for fashions and all that.
Costumes.
And this guys make 3D printing and 3D modeling courses and how is that called? Educational things, right?
So
for schools and all that.
Teaches them here, or
no, they teach on schools, but this is a place to work and to arrange things. So,
cool.
So going through this.
Wait, what are these?
These are 3D printers.
That are under construction?
Mostly, they are under modification, let's say. So they are upgrading them, because that's what you do with 3D printers. You buy them, you upgrade them, and then you use them to build more pieces of 3D printers. Yeah.
Neat.
Yeah, so yes, this is there's a bathroom here. This is a woman who makes paintings, and these are members of the community. I'm right here, as you can see.
Is it okay if I get you in this shot?
Yeah,
that's nice.
Yeah. So yeah, we have bathroom, and we have
sword?
a lot of paintings and all that. So this is the another community area. It's being worked at because we are making restoration things and renovations. We have kitchen for anyone who wants to use it, and there's a fridge. Anyone who leaves something there, you can leave it with a tag. No one will touch it, but keep it clean, you know. Right. So going through this, we have the dirty area.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is the area where people work at things that are dirty and generate dust. Wow. That's from the same painter woman who's it's right behind there. She's working on something. She makes huge paintings too of 360 degrees views. This is a laser room. It has 2 laser machines. One of them is for cutting, the other is for layering.
It smells well used.
Yeah, we're also renovating this because the extraction unit is a little bit inefficient. So we're building it under there and taking all the dirty air to the other room.
Thank you.
This place is for painting. We have a painting booth. It's also being built right now.
Wow.
As you can see, the floor and all that is all full of paint, but that's what a painting
booth is for.
And we have also the extraction unit is going to go through this and have a lot of filters that will filter all the paint and all the fumes from the lasers. Yeah, all of that is for the community. We have a woman who works with the company Montana. So they gave her a lot of paints.
Nice.
Anything she doesn't use, she left there for the community.
Very nice.
Right. So we have also, for example, this is another community table. Usually it's also full of stuff, but anyone who wants to use it can move a little bit of the things around and all that. This is another private space for people who want to take an extra space, the 100 euro fee.
Oh, nice.
That woman makes leather tools and leather working, you know, for making wallets and things like that with leather.
This is just one space, this
No,
whole area, or two?
usually it's two, but right now there's no
Okay.
one on that place, so there's only half
I see.
right now. Right? So going to this way, we've got the main machinery area. We have CNC machines, we have saws.
House now, but it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, we are renovating all of this because this is supposedly to be too low for ceiling. If there is a fire or something, it's dangerous. So we are moving this down here, and then this will be a storing area, right? But right now it's full of tools. Anyone who has a membership can use them.
So do you have to raise the ceiling even if it's a storage area?
No, if
Or
it's
just a
storage
few?
area, it's okay. But if we're making things that could get sparks, something like that, and
I
it could get a
see.
fire, it's better on this side.
Gotcha.
So right, and then we have this is the dirty area to work, right? We have a clean area for all the things, which is on the other side.
There you go.
Okay, so going through that door. This is also a community area. We have
Wow.
community tables for eating and all that, and a punching bag for when the code
That's
doesn't compile. Yeah. No, it's actually a company who's making a phone app that measures the strength and duration of your punches. You put it on the bag and you punch at it, and it tells you how to keep working, you know?
Cool.
This is also being renovated because we are trying to make this level because the ceiling is low.
All right.
And they wanted this ramp for people to pass by, but it's not necessary to be all this long. So we're going to make a flat floor here. This will be an entire room for conferences and projections and classes. Anyone who wants to do something like that. We have also a storing area right here.
Oh, that's cool up there.
Yeah. And also, this part. This is more clean and also silent part, because this is the co-working area, right?
Quiet.
So this is for for people who work on their computers all day. We have all kinds of working here, like architectures and programming, music, electronics, drawers, comics, and all that. There's a lot of people who works on the computers here. Yeah. And we have the same up there. There's another room, but it's a little bit more private. So we have no access right now there. So yeah, there's another storing area right here, which is for this community only. And another exit right there, which is for getting out and then.
Wow.
Yeah.
This place just goes on and on and on.
Yeah. It's really
Huge.
good. This is MADE Makerspace. So yeah.
Was that the whole tour?
Huh?
Was that the whole tour?
Yes, mostly. We have also a bathroom here
Oh, a bathroom.
for disabled people. So it actually has an automatic light. So, see? You can use it. We're using it right now as storing because we don't have any members that need it.
What about classes?
Classes. Well, there's people who make classes here. For example, I've made 2 of them, one about 3D printing and one about electronics and LED basics for crafting and costumes. So anyone can make classes here. The space will take a small part of what you get for the class, but yeah, there's a projector up there. You can use it for projecting things. That on top of the windows is a screen.
Oh, yeah.
You pull it down and use it, and that's it. Yeah, there's people who makes classes and expositions and all that about their work.
And what about for like using tools? Are there any classes for that?
Right. The 3D printers, the lasers, and the CNC machines require a small class before you use it. Anyone who knows how to use it can give the class. Once you have it, you can use it. Of course, being safe and anything you don't know, first ask before breaking something. But yeah, that's all. Also, there's some tools that you might ask for permission or for be sure that you can use it before using it. But that's all. Once you know how to use it and you know how you have permission, you can use it for anything you want. Yeah, that's it.
And do you have events here?
Sometimes we're having on November a group of people who wants to visit this as a tourist place from Ireland.
Really?
Yeah, and they assigned it to me to make the tour because I'm always here and I speak English, so that's it.
Well, you
But,
did a great job today.
Yeah. Events depends on what the members want to do. I mean, if someone wants to make something here, it's possible. Like for classes for Arduino for kids and something like that. That's what this guy's there. If they have somewhere to make the classes, they do on school something like that. They do there. But if they have to bring a group of kids or something like that to make a course here, that could be made here. Also, we have on Wednesdays the digital luthiers, which is a group of people who makes music with digital instruments, and they make their own
The
instruments.
digital what?
Luthiers.
Luthiers?
Luthiers. It's a word for
Luthiers.
a music creator.
Oh.
So they sit down there or on the other side, and they make music with electronics and all that. And on Thursdays we have the cosplay day, which sometimes comes people and ask for things. Although it's a little bit dead right now because we are not announcing it too much. But if we do, me or the woman down there, which is Anam, can make, solve questions for cosplayers and crafters and all kinds of things.
So it's not necessarily people who pay rent for this space?
No.
It's just
There's
people who are in
come-
cosplay and
they
they're
come
like, "We need
once a
help."
week or one day
cool.
that they need something, and that's it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So much yes.
Yes. So this is something that I make. It's programmed with Arduino, although I don't know how to program Arduino. I have a few people who do this for me. And
You have a guy for that?
I work with a community of people that has different skills, but that's my sort.
That's so cool. Did someone commission that? Did they ask you to build it?
That actually is mine.
That's just
that's for me.
for you.
But all that you see right there is mostly commissions, and some of them have lightings, as you can see. Most of them they just light on and off.
That's really
There's some people who have some extra money and that's for light effects and all that. And yeah, that's cool.
And this one is glowing. It's not.
Yeah, that's glowing. That's blue.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool. Do you have a website?
Yes, I do. Besides this, I have Instagram too. And you have some pictures on the back. Although this is a very old card. I should upgrade it with somebody these days.
What's your Instagram?
Making props, just like the name says.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Is it all one word?
No, it's making_props.
Okay.
Yeah. I
Cool.
think.
A big thanks to our tour guide, Oriol Fernandez, and thank you for watching. If you want to see more details on this space, you can find the full article on SolidSmack.com.